Good morning everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can buy WordPress hosting from WP Engine. Well, the first step we're going to be taking today is going down and click in the link that is provided in the description of this video. Then you're going to be checking a website like this, and after this you can see that the guys from WP Engine offer different products. For example, WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, and many other features. For example, if we click here where it says WordPress hosting, we are going to be redirected to the plans that the guys from WP Engine are offering. For example, they offer managed hosting you can trust for every stage of your business. For example, now we're going to be checking the plans and pricing here, and then you can see the plans and pricing plans for every stage of your journey. For example, they offer you the essential, the core, and the enterprise. For example, if we go with the essential, you're going to be getting, for example, the startup plan is for one site, 25,000 visits, 10 GB storage, and 75 GB bandwidth monthly. Yes, for example, we click where it says buy now, and then we are ready to buy hosting from the guys from WP Engine. Remember that you can buy annually or monthly. It is reflected here in the right part. For example, you can click where it says annual, and now I'm going to be giving you also a WP Engine coupon code for you to get a discount. I'm going to be dropping my coupon code in the description of this video. Anyway, I'm going to be typing it here. Click here and then apply. Yes, here is the total price reflected, and after this you continue to payment. Now we have to fill in this account information. For example, first name, you put Tony. Well, in this case, this is just an example. You guys need to put your information. Last name, my last name is Correa. Email, Tony Correa 123@gmail.com. Yes. Your phone, you choose which country you are, in the United Kingdom, Ukraine, Uganda, or the United States. You select your country here. Yes, for example, I am now in this country, and after this, after you check here, for example, you click where it says continue to payment, and now we are going to be filling the payment details here. Now we have to put the card number. Yes, you type the card number here, and then you need to put the expiration month. For example, it's in August, the year 29. The CVC code is usually 3 numbers. Yes, and then the first name. For example, my first name is Tony. Yes, last name Correa. The billing address is here. Yes, Los Alamos. Yes, billing address. Billing address 2 is optional. Country, well, I am now in Peru, for example. You guys choose where you live now. The state or region, I'm gonna be putting like Lima. City, Lima. Zip code 00051. Yeah, and now we click where it says pay now. Yes, but before we have to check where it says I have read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. And after this, you're gonna be clicking where it says pay now. Yes, and finally in the step 3, you guys are gonna be checking that everything is correct, and finally you're gonna be checking your email inbox. For example, I'm gonna be checking my email to see and manage my WP Engine hosting account. Yes guys, I hope this video has been useful for you. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you liked my video. Yes, thank you very much. Goodbye, see you.